What's going on, everybody? It's Alex of Prestige Worldwide Cards, pwwcards.com. We have a 4-box break of 2021 Illusions football. 10 packs in every box, 3 autos and 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. For every box, 2021 football. So we're looking for Mac Jones. We're looking for Justin Fields. We're looking for any of those guys. Jamar Chase. I guess Zach Wilson and... Trade Lance. Anyways, let's get it going. Welcome in. Thanks for breaking with us. We know there's a lot of options out there, but we've been doing it forever. We know what we're doing, and you trust us, and you love us, and we love you. Thanks for breaking with us. Let's see some football cards. And I've got to get my fix. Yeah. Hoping for no points. That's my main goal in this. I don't want to see any Panini points. Look at that, a Mac Jones right off the top. Look at that. Mac Jones, Chuba Hubbard, Justin Fields right off the top. We got both quarterbacks we just mentioned. Hardy Nickerson, 111/199. That's going to go to the Bucks. Tampa Bay. Robert B. Pretty cool. And then an Illusionists, Justin Fields for the Bears. Sean Taylor, Jonathan Taylor, Trey Sermon, there he is. Simi Fehoko, oh no wait, I'm thinking of Trey Lance, sorry. Simi Fehoko, $3.99, and a Deion Sanders clear shots. Alvin Kamara, Davis Mills, he was on fire last week. Jared Goff, and a redemption for an Anthony Schwartz. I want to say Colts, but I'm not positive on that. I'll double check that. Is that Colts? Maybe. Might be thinking of someone else. First impressions, autographed memorabilia, Anthony Schwartz. We'll look that up on the checklist to double check. But this is a Dak Prescott. That's a cool looking design. I like that. And that's blue. That's numbered to 299. Dak Prescott, King of Cards. Kind of a cool design. A little clear acetate look. Nice. Like that. Cornell Powell, Keenan Allen, Anthony Schwartz. Oh, it's Browns. Okay, Anthony Schwartz is Browns. Sorry about that. Alvin Kamara at $4.99, and a Kadarius Toney Mystique. Dwayne Eskridge, Josh Jacobs, Trey Sermon, 1/50. Nice, that's a dummy card. And a Shining Stars. But that Trey Sermon's nice. Numbered to 1/50. It's like a black finite kind of thing, but it's numbered to 50, so it's not that finite. Kenneth Gainwell, Tim Tebow, Nico Collins. Why is Tim Tebow in this? That's ridiculous. There's a Zach Wilson Instant Impact jersey card going out to the New York Jets. Seriously, why is Tim Tebow in this product? That is ridiculous. Jets is Bradley H. There you go, Bradley. Aaron Donald clear shots. Oh, that's numbered $3.99. Cam Akers, Rondale Moore, Matt Ryan, and a Mac Jones highlight jersey going out to New England. Some decent hits right off the bat. All right, so New England is Patrick G. Not numbered, but there you go, Patrick. Or is that Patrick? Yeah, Patrick G. King of Cards, there's an Aaron Rodgers version. That is not numbered on that one. There's a Zach Wilson. There's a Simi Fehoko, DJ Moore. And look at that. Shiny card. Dalvin Cook. Wow, blinding me. Number to 249. That's going to go to Minnesota. Don't look too hard at this one. It'll make you go blind. Dalvin Cook. That's William B. Jamar Chase. There you go. That's a nice one. Illusionists. Elijah Moore, Taysom Hill, Michael Carter, and a Kyle Pitts autograph to 99. That's rookie endorsements. That's going to go to the Atlanta Falcons. Might be the first Kyle Pitts auto I've pulled this year. Rookie endorsements. Ryan C. Joe Montana, King of Cards. That's numbered to 149. Whoops. Devontae Adams, Pat Freiermuth, Allen Robinson, Zach Wilson to 399, dummy card, and a Mac Jones Clear Vision, or Clear Shots, rather. Clear Vision was a product back in the day. Well, not years ago. All right, that does it for box 1. Let's take a gander at box 2. Cam Newton, Ryan Tannehill, Deshaun Watson, and a dual jersey of Chris Godwin and Jalen Darden. For the Tampa Bay Bucks, their second hit of the break. Tampa is Robert B. And that's not numbered. Clear Shots of Charles Woodson. Another Mac Jones rookie. Chuba Hubbard, Justin Fields. That is the exact same combination as the first pack, so I guess you get all 3 of those in the same pack, do you? Dual jersey of Jalen Waddle and Jarvis Landry. Dolphins. Ryan C. And a Javonte Williams Mystique. Sean Taylor, Jonathan Taylor, Trey Sermon. That's the same combination, too. I think there's a pattern here. Jared Goff to 399 for the Lions. And a King of Cards, Brett Favre to 399. Interesting stuff. Alvin Kamara, Davis Mills, Jared Goff. It's weird. Jermar Jefferson. That's going to go to the Detroit Lions. Ashley B. And then a Shining Stars of Trevor Lawrence. Not numbered, but I guess, still a top quarterback to collect, so, not bad. Cornell Powell, Keenan Allen, Anthony Schwartz. There's a dummy card. And then a Justin Herbert, number to 249, one of those shiny cards. And a King of Cards, Joe Burrow. Dwayne Eskridge, Josh Jacobs, Kenneth Gainwell, Wes Welker. Wow, 8 of 10. Wes Welker autograph for the New England Patriots. Kind of out of nowhere. I haven't thought about Wes Welker in a while. 8 of 10. Patrick G. Nice. Illusionists, Travis Etienne. Tim Tebow, Nico Collins, Cam Akers, Derek Carr to 35. Shining Stars, another Trevor Lawrence. That's number to 50, though. That's a nice parallel. Number to 50, Trevor Lawrence for the Jags. Who had that? Jody M. There you go. 49 of 50. Another Trevor Lawrence coming up. Rondale Moore, Matt Ryan, Zach Wilson, and a Travis Etienne jersey autograph. All of a sudden, it's coming up Jags right now. 52 of 299. Jody is pretty happy right now because he's getting that. And then another Trevor Lawrence clear shots. That was not numbered. Simi Fehoko, DJ Moore, Elijah Moore, Tom Brady, number to 499, and a Terrence Marshall. Taysom Hill, Michael Carter, Devontae Adams, Cornell Powell to 399, and a Justin Fields Shining Stars. All right, moving right along. Hold on 1 second. Kellen Mond, Miles Sanders, Matthew Stafford, Cam Akers, autograph, ink blots. Ooh, that's a 1-of-1. 1-of-1, Cam Akers for the Rams, and he's just coming back too. It's a good time to get it. Wow. 1-of-1. Actually, this way, I think. 1-of-1. There you go. Wow. That's cool. Michael M. Congratulations. You had yourself a 1-of-1 Cam Akers autograph. Najee Harris. Ramondre Stevenson, Ezekiel Elliott, Antonio Gibson, Ian Book to 499, and a Mac Jones. And that is, wow, that one has some serious chippage. Look at that. Look at all that chipping on the bottom and on the top and on the right. Wow. The other ones didn't look like that, I don't think. I'll have to look closely. DJ Metcalf, Trevor Lawrence, Kyler Murray, De'Ami Brown, going out to Washington football team. 3-colored patch autograph, 56 of 99. Washington, first impressions, very nice. Fred S., that is yours. Allen Robinson. Myles Gaskin, Nick Chubb, Tutu Atwell, and a Justin Fields to 35. 14 of 35. Chicago is Joe W. And then a Trey Lance clear shots, number to 399. First nice Trey Lance we've had. Whoops, it goes there. Dalvin Cook, Tua, Cortland Sutton, and a number to 249, Kene Nwangwu. Aaron Donald, Rams. That one had some chipping problems too. I guess some of those acetates, they go through the feeder wrong or something. Jamar Chase, Travis Etienne, Carson Wentz, and a Jamar Chase jersey, instant impact. Bengals. The Bengals, Cincinnati is David H., and that is not numbered, but that's going to go to Cincinnati. And then a Shining Stars, Mac Jones. That's number to 399. There you go. That one looks all right. That one looks pretty good condition, I think. But they really fell in love with the acetate clear stuff in this product. Devontae Smith, Josh Allen, Tylan Wallace. And a Mac Jones jersey. Instant impact. For the Pats. Patrick G. Pat in the Patrick G. Kyle Pitts. Chase Claypool, Rashad Bateman, Derrick Henry, 22.99 Cortland Sutton, clear shots Justin Herbert. Jalen Darden, Ben Roethlisberger, Kadarius Toney, Terrence Marshall. That's an autograph, number 250. For the Panthers, Carolina is Nathaniel L. And a Trey Lance Mystique. DeAndre Hopkins, Javonte Williams, Dak Prescott, Antonio Gibson to $3.99. And a Justin Fields to $2.99. This product was kind of made for quarterbacks, wasn't it? There's just quarterbacks all over the place here. Maybe it's just that kind of product. We are on to box 4, the final box. The last box of 2021 right here. 2021 is saying goodbye, and this is its final farewell. At least on our channels. Probably someone else break into midnight, I'm sure, out there. Crazy people. Just kidding. Jonathan Taylor, Trey Sermon, Alvin Kamara, and a Jeff George. Dafuk, 20/99 going out to the Indianapolis Colts, a Jeff George autograph. Didn't think I would pull a Jeff George auto out of this product, but here we are. David H., there you go. Hope you were wanting a Jeff George because you got one. Barry Sanders. Cortland Sutton, Jacob Harris, Justin Jefferson, and a Justin Herbert. Going out to the Chadges. Highlight. Who had the Chadges? Michael E. Highlight swatches. And a Mac Jones Mystique. Again with the chipping. That's just so weird. It's like it's peeling off or something. T. Higgins, Kyle Trask, Justin Herbert, and a Trey Lance. Now we've gotten pretty much every major quarterback multiple times. Trey Lance highlight. San Francisco is Craig D. Oh, and a Josh Allen Shining Stars. Saquon Barkley, Jalen Hurts, Cam Newton, Ezekiel Elliott to $3.99, and a Travis Kelce Clear Shots. Davis Mills, Jared Goff, Cornell Powell, 55/149, Tutu Atwell for the Rams, and an Illusionist Kyle Pitts to $3.99. Keenan Allen, Anthony Schwartz, Dwayne Eskridge, Jalen Darden to $2.99. That's going to go out to Tampa. Robert B. Elijah Moore, Mystique. Ryan Tannehill, Deshaun Watson, Mac Jones again, and a Patrick Surtain II for the Denver Broncos rookie signs. Denver's first hit, I think. Yeah, pretty sure. William B. King of Cards, Dan Marino. Chuba Hubbard, Justin Fields, Sean Taylor, Rob Gronkowski to $4.99, dummy card, and another Trevor Lawrence Illusionist. Josh Jacobs, Kenneth Gainwell, Tim Tebow, Ramondre Stevenson to 399, and a Zach Wilson Shining Stars. Can you see this? There's like stuff coming off these cards. Last pack, here we go. Still some nice stuff. Nico Collins, Cam Akers, Rondell Moore, Emir Smith-Marset to 499, and dummy, and Josh Allen. That is going to do it for the break. We are going to get everything packed up and shipped out to you very soon. Thanks again for getting on that one. We'll definitely have this to you first of next week. Hope you have a wonderful new year and a wonderful 2022. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.